Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Abraham and Joshua. Let's begin. So we people were doing the area and perimeter of the triangle and rectangle and square. Okay. Let's continue that. Now in the last class, I taught you how to calculate the area and perimeter of rectangle and square. Okay. Today, we'll check out how to calculate the area of a parallelogram. Okay. How to calculate the area of a parallelogram. We will learn two methods. One is to calculate it using a graph paper, and the one to calculate it using the formula. Okay. Using the graph paper and the formula.
Ma'am, we may not.
Yes, Abraham.
So, ma'am, we may not have a graph.
You don't have a graph paper. That's okay. For now, because I will share the screen from the book and will teach you. Okay? So you can later do it at home with your graph. Right now, area of parallelogram. First, we learn it with the formula. Now, suppose we have a parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? Both opposite sides are parallel. Okay, opposite sides are parallel in a parallelogram. A, E, C, and D. Okay. Now, in parallelogram, the formula is half base into height plus half base into height. Okay. What is that now? What is that? See, in this parallelogram, we have the heights. Drawing it. This height, this height. Like this. And I make a line AC. It makes it, divides it into two triangles. Okay, I want you to look at it very carefully. Okay, this is triangle 1. You can see. Okay, this whole is triangle 1. And this one is triangle 2. Right, Joshua? This one is blue one is yes.
About that, won't it be 4 triangles, ma'am?
Won't it be 4 triangles? Yeah, there are 4 triangles, but we don't like count the small ones. We count just the 2 together, like a big triangle.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So one is the green one, other one is the blue one. Okay. Now what we will do, if you know how we calculate the area of a triangle, half base into height. Okay. We do half base into height. Same way, This is the base. Okay. This is the base. Okay. And this is the height of triangle ACD. And of triangle ABC, this is the base. This is the height. Okay. So that is what we are going to do. We are going to calculate like area of ABCD, area of parallelogram ABCD is equals to area of triangle ACD plus area of triangle ABC. Okay, or ACB. ACB. Formula of a triangle. Formula of triangle half into base into height plus half into base into height. Okay, now put the values 1 by 2, 1 by 2 multiplied by base. Okay, 1 by 2 multiplied by. Now see one thing that is common. Okay, here instead of base I'm writing those sides. Okay, here instead of base I'm writing first base is DC, second base is AP. Okay, I don't want you to copy anything right now. Okay, I just want you to watch. Okay, so now if you check this blue thing that I've written, okay, 1 by 2 is common here also, here also. H is common here also, here also. Okay, but DC and AB are two bases that are different. Okay, so what we will do, the formula becomes 1 upon 2 height, which we will take common, DC plus AB. 1 upon 2 height, DC plus AB. Okay, so it becomes half height into. Now see, DC and AB are equal now. DC and AB, because they are both height, they are both equal to each other. Okay. Yes.
Area of a parallelogram is length into breadth.
Yes, Abraham. Height into base into height, basically. Not length into breadth, but base into height. Okay. We are deriving where that comes from. Okay. We are deriving where that comes from. Okay. So, because DC and AB are same, we can write down 2 DC. Okay. 1 upon 2 H into 2 DC. Okay. So, here 2 and 2 cuts down and becomes height into DC. Okay. Or height into base. Okay, so therefore, area of parallelogram becomes base into height or height into base. Okay, this is the derivation of the formula. How the formula gets reduced and becomes height into base. Okay. The formula that we have to use in the question is this formula. Area equals to just multiply height and base. Don't multiply length and breadth, but height and base. Okay, what will be the height? Height will be inside the parallelogram. Okay, and the one side, that is your base. That we multiply to get the area of parallelogram. Write this down, please, and then we'll check a question.
Done, ma'am.
In this parallelogram, four centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 4 centimeter. Its height and second. Okay, this is not 4, this is 8 centimeter. And the height is 4 centimeter. Can you find out the area? This is PQRS. Can you find out the area of quadrilateral PQRS? Joshua, what will be the area? Unmute.
Ma'am, 32.
Yes, Shubhra, good. Base is 8. This is my base, 8. This is my height, 4. So 8 into 4, 32 centimeter. Correct. Okay, that is my area. Okay, now you want to write this down, you can write this.
Okay, ma'am.
Then I'll show you on a graph paper.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Let me just open a graph paper. Can you see it? Okay. Now the question says that I have a parallelogram with base 8, with a base of 8 centimeter. Here, each cube or each square is 1 centimeter. Each square is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. Let's do it with red. So, count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah. Okay. And it says that its height. Yes, Joshua.
Ma'am, in graphs, does everything have to be like extremely precise?
Yes, Joshua. It has to be extremely precise.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, in a parallelogram, it's saying that the height is 4 centimeter. So 4. Okay, so this is my parallelogram. Okay, this is my parallelogram, and this is D. I'll just increase the size. D, A, B, and C. Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, now going to name these points P and this point Q. Okay. Okay, now we have 2 triangles and 1 rectangle. Okay, triangle ADB and triangle BCQ. Okay, and a rectangle AQCP. Okay, and a rectangle AQCP. Okay, so I'll just write down this is 8 centimeter. DP, the whole thing, is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Okay, and how much is PC? 6 centimeter. Count the blocks if you cannot check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, each box is of 1 centimeter, so 6 centimeter. PC is 6 centimeter, this much. Okay, and AP 4 centimeter means from here to here. It is 4 centimeter. Okay,
Ma'am,
what do you want to do? Yes, Joshua.
won't it be 5 centimeter, ma'am?
No, Joshua. Count the blocks, Joshua.
I
See,
mean, it's 6.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
The boxes in front, the in front of the letter doesn't count.
It counts, Joshua. 1, 2, 3,
Ma'am.
4, 5, and 6. Yes,
Yes.
Abraham.
So like from AP, like that, ma'am.
Okay, AP. Joshua, it will count from here. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Ma'am,
Okay? Yeah,
ma'am, both
Abraham.
the triangles each have a area of 4 centimeter square.
Yes, Abraham. Correct. Both triangles have an area of 4 centimeters square. That is right. Okay, that is right. Now, what I was doing, yes. So the area of parallelogram becomes area of ADP plus AQCP plus triangle BCQ. Okay, so first we'll calculate area of triangle ADP. Okay, now see Joshua. See, this DP is 2 centimeter because one box and two box. Okay, so this DP is 2 centimeter. Okay, so half base into height formula. Okay, area of triangle, half area of ADP is equals to half into base is 2 into height is 4. 2 by 2 cancels, becomes 4. Then area of triangle BCQ, same thing. BCQ, half into base is 2, height is 4. 2 and 2 cancels, 4. Okay, this triangle I'm talking, Joshua. This triangle. Okay, so this triangle and this triangle area is 4 centimeter square. Okay, and now area of rectangle. Area of rectangle AQCP. AQCP becomes how much? Base into height is the formula. Length into breadth is the formula. 6 is the length and 4 is the breadth. Okay, see Joshua. 6 is the length of the triangle. Okay. And breadth is 4. Okay. 24 centimeter square. Add. So area of parallelogram becomes area of parallelogram 4 plus 4 plus 24 equals to 32 centimeter square. 32 centimeter square. Okay. Area of parallelogram becomes 32 centimeter square. So this is how you do it with a graph paper. Okay. This is how you do it with a graph paper. Understood? Now we calculate the area of triangles, area of square or rectangle, and then add them to get the total area of parallelogram. Okay, now see, how do we calculate? Like I said, you have to count the number of boxes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So AQ is 6 centimeter. 7, 8. So AB till AB is 8 centimeter because 8 boxes are there. Okay, so because every box is 1 centimeter. Every box is 1 centimeter. You write this down. Make it in rough. Make it in rough notebook. Okay, and write this down. But later you do it in a graph book. Okay. Later when you have a graph book, you have to do this in a graph book.
Yes, ma'am.
Down both of you. Tomorrow I will teach you calculate the area of a trapezoid or a trapezium. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay. Okay. Let me just tell you your homework. Try out 16.5. Okay. Try out 16.5. Second question. 16.5. Second question. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
16.5 second question. Please send me the homework up till now. Okay. Joshua, I need the homework. Abraham, you too. Okay. I need all the maths homework up to 16.5.
I
Yeah.
sent you.
You sent me?
Yes, ma'am.
Abraham
Okay.
said, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Abraham. Joshua, you send me. Okay. And that's all. I'll see you all today. We'll check out the area of trapezoid. Okay? Okay. Have a good day. See you all then. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, Abraham.
Thank you, Shiva.